the physical resources or items which aid in enhancing the dining experience of the customers. Based on the movement, these could be segregated into three categories, namely circulating equipment, fixed equipment, and mobile equipment. The first category is circulating equipment. These are equipment that are used while serving and having food and beverages at a table. In other words, these are used continuously as they move or flow from one person to the other. This category of equipment includes chinaware, cutlery, silverware, hollowware, flatware, linen, glassware, etc. Chinaware includes fine dishes made of china, which is a translucent ceramic material to cater the needs of service of food. It generally includes dishes, bowls, platters, cups, saucers, vases, ashtrays, etc. Cutlery are broadly cutting implement used at a table for eating and serving food. For example, forks, knives and spoons. Silverware. Silverware are dishes, containers or cutlery which are made of an alloy named as electroplated nickel silver. EPNS has high resemblance to silver. Hollowware are objects with depth and volume used for cooking and service of food. Examples are bowls, tea and coffee pots, soup tureens, etc. Linen is a fabric known for its strength and absorbency. In food service area, it includes tablecloths, napkins, tray cloths, slip cloths, buffet cloths, waiter's cloth and tea cloths. Glassware. Glassware includes articles made of fine glass such as glasses, jugs, pitchers, drinkware, ashtrays, vases and similar articles. In the miscellaneous equipment, we have chafing dishes, which are known as chauffeurs as well. Other miscellaneous equipment are bird vase, table number, menu stand, cruets, etc. Coming to the second category, that is fixed equipment. These are immobile equipment, also known as static equipment for the reason they are affixed to and constitutes a structural component of the outlet. These are fixed commodities of the food service areas such as furniture, fixtures, air conditioners, etc. The last category is mobile equipment. These are equipment which move freely in the food service areas. This category includes all the trolleys and carrying stations maneuvered to provide specialized service to the guest with style. The personnel carrying such equipment exhibit their showmanship before the guest to make their experience delightful. For instance, flambe trolley, carving trolley, etc. This is all about the categories of equipment. Thank you for being kind and patient.